This is Akriti here. Today I am going to draw an elephant on hot air balloon. Let's draw in color together. First I am drawing balloon.
Apples, 3 apples, oh my, 4 apples for my apple pie.
Let's count how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 and 10, let's sing it all again.
Now I am going to draw head of the elephant.
6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Count with me, my friend. 1 apple, 2 apples,
Elephant
3
ears.
apples, oh my, 4 apples for my apple pie. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, oh hey, 4 lemons for some lemonade.
Its trunk.
Keep on counting all day.
I love drawing and coloring. Elephant is enjoying drawing. Balloons basket. It's enjoying hot air balloon ride. Finally, 7 puffy clouds. This elephant looks so cute. This picture is going to be very colorful. Ta-da! Green.
Ooh, give me some ice cream.
Green.
Scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop.
Elephants are very cute animals.
Ooh,
They are the
give
largest
me some
animals
ice
and
cream.
also they love to eat
Ooh,
plants
this is perfection
and
to
trees.
me. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoops more. Ooh, this is perfection to me. Whether it's frozen cold or melting down my fingers.
Elephant is enjoying
Ice
coloring.
cream is the treat that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream.
Pink.
Whether it's frozen cold or melting down my fingers, ice cream is the treat
Red.
that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream.
In the garden
Blue.
we grow and learn. In the garden we all take turns. We walk in the sunlight, listen to the birds. In the garden we grow and learn.
Red.
In garden we make new friends, and we share what we have with our
Orange,
friends. When you laugh and smile, I laugh and smile too. In the
yellow,
garden we make new friends.
light
In the
green,
garden we plant in the ground.
purple,
In the garden we make a joyous sound. And when we grow food,
pink,
pass the food around. In the garden we plant in the ground.
violet, light purple, green, light blue,
In the garden we grow and learn. In the garden we all take turns. We walk in the sunlight, listen to the birds. In the garden we grow and learn. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you, cradle and all.
Oh, sail playmate, come out and play with me, and bring your dollies three. Climb up my apple tree, slide down my rainbow, go through my cellar door, and we'll be jolly friends forever. More. Oh, sail playmate, I cannot play with you. My dollies have the flu, and you might catch it too. I have no rainbow, I have no cellar door, but let's be jolly friends forever. More. Oh, sail playmate, so sad to hear your news. I'm sure they'll feel fine soon with rest and carrots.
Rock-a-bye baby
now elephant is ready to take a balloon ride. Bye bye elephant.